Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Wantable. Now Wantable is a styling service that I only get, I think I have it set up to be quarterly because it is one that I feel like is more expensive than it should be. Because you have like Trunk Club, which is more expensive, but you know, they're nicer brands, they're super good quality. I feel like what comes in Wantable is very similar as what you get in a, you know, Stitch Fix, Natalie Tire, things like that, but it's priced higher in my opinion. But why do I get this then? Because it's basics. They have other things than basic. I feel like it's a style service that has more basics than others, and that's kind of my style. I'm a very like classic basic type person. I'm basic. And so that's why I like this, and I do it quarterly because it is more expensive, but I like it enough, the pieces I get, that I continue to get it. So let's check out what we have in this box. A beautiful bundle here. It looks very sweatery, which is a little bit surprising considering it's the end of April, but it looks sweatery. So let's just dive in. Okay, let's start at the top here. So we have this off the shoulder top, kind of a marled, sweatery, soft. This feels like the kind that's like soft until you wash it a couple times, then it's kind of pilly, but it's very cute. This is by Z Supply, and you know, usually I'm kind of say I'm not an off-the-shoulder person, but the more time I spend at home, the more I do wear something like this. So I don't know, I like it, so we'll see. And I like the color, show that to you guys, and that kind of marled look. So okay, next up we have this animal print tee, it looks like. So just a short sleeve, and it feels more soft, and it actually almost feels sweatery, but it is a short sleeve and has a shirt tail hem to it. This is also Z Supply, so I think that is cute. Next up, I believe this is a requested item, so I am just been really channeling my inner Barbara from BC Sales recently and just really getting a lot of black tops and liking it. And so, which by the way, these two pieces are Trunk Club, and when I went to buy this blazer, it was 50% off. So, or close to it, maybe it was 40% off. So I was in my Trunk Club, here we'll put a card up there. I was hesitant to buy it because I just don't know that I was gonna wear it enough, and it was like close to $100, things like that. So when I went to actually check out, it was 40% off, 50% off. So yay for that. Anyways, and I got the cami to go with it. So little update for you there. All right, so black shirt. I like, it's got some lace detail here on the shoulders and kind of a stud detail. So I think it's pretty. Then we have this, okay, this is unique. This is a cami. This is by Skies Are Blue, but kind of has unique straps. One, they're thicker, and then two, this has the ring. It looks kind of wide, a little boxy, but that's not bad. I do like that it's shorter because I want my, I don't know. I feel like I've gotten some camis and they're just like super long and I don't know what to do with them, you know? So I like a shorter cami, so it's cute. All right, Skies Are Blue. I don't know if I said that already. Then we have, now with Wantable, you do get 7 pieces, so I think that's also makes this a fun box. I like getting a few more pieces. This is the Dreamers cardigan. It's a small/medium, so most likely this will be very oversized on me, but when I requested it, I didn't know it was going to be, you know, kind of a oversized type deal. So it's got a little bit of like a waterfall look to it, but again, I am just so much more open to slouchy type pieces now that I am home a lot. I believe this is a requested piece as well. This is Vegas. This is the Ace High Rise short, It is kind of reminds me of like safari short, but a green cargo short. And I don't have anything like this. And I do like that it is a reinforced raw hem. I like that actually quite a bit. I prefer that to a rolled short. So we'll see how that fits. Vegas has never been my best fit of pants or shorts, so we'll see. Now, last up we have also Vegas, a high rise, and they are the Luxe Stretch, and just a clean, dark wash with a unique hemline. I think that's why, I think this is another requested item, and I think I requested it because I liked the hemline. So, okay, so I like every piece, I think. Everything seems pretty cute, so let's try it on. Okay, so I've got 3 of the pieces here to start out with. So, starting at the top, the cardigan is actually a very nice surprise. So a small/medium is usually just like out of the question for me. But I think, you know, it's made to be stretchy and expandable. And somehow it's not even like there's a lot of like extra fabric here. It works. So, but the question is, so fit-wise, it works, surprisingly. So really happy with that. Now, style-wise, do I love it? Probably not. I don't love kind of this extra fabric here. I've never really cared for that kind of super drapey look. So I like it. I like the color, you know, very springy color. I like that. Again, fit, I have no complaints. So I did roll up the sleeve, but that's no big deal whatsoever. So I like it. Now, the cami is cute. It is actually a double layer here in the front, kind of more of a polyester feel underneath, and then a softer, nicer feel here on the top. And it's not too wide or boxy or anything like that. So I would definitely keep this, and then there you can see the ring, so that's cute. I would definitely keep this if I didn't literally just get a dressy black cami in my trunk club, so, you know, that's okay. So then the jeans are good. They fit well. I don't have a problem with the fit up here. It's not like a pair of pants that I put on and like this is the best fit ever, but I don't really have any specific complaints. Now, let's talk about the ankle situation. So I just put on like a pair of loafers with it to see how the length of it works, because if you look back here, it goes kind of all the way down, and you can see kind of the step to it, but I feel like it would have been cuter if it was up like half an inch or an inch and kind of more head and ankle look to it than a full length pant. So I feel like it's not as cute on me than it would be on a normal sized person. And I don't really need jeans, so we'll see, but most likely these won't be keepers, but we'll see. All right, next top. Okay, next up we have this animal print tee. I do like it. It's a nice, simple, cute tee. I like the sleeves on it. Kind of, they're like a little longer, a little tighter to your arm, which I enjoy a short sleeve like that. It is I like the shirt hem on it, and it's a great fit, a really great fit. So this one will probably be if the price is right, because it's a simple tee. I'm not going to pay $50 for a simple tee, so we'll just see what the price is on it, but I like it. Okay, so here is the one shoulder marled top. Now, I did look at the picture to see, you know, is it supposed to be completely off the shoulder, which I hate, or just one shoulder, which I like a lot better. So I've got just the one shoulder here, and I like it. I actually don't know if I'm supposed to favor one over the other, but I think it's cute, and a cute kind of casual at home slouchy feel. So I like it. I've kind of been wondering, I've gotten some shorts in Trunk Club, and I've been less than excited about them, and I was kept wondering, is it just that I'm not big into shorts? I rarely wear them because I'm rarely in a situation where I'm going to be warm enough to put on shorts. And so I really wondered if I just am not big on shorts until I put on these. I pulled these up, you know, zipped them up, buttoned them, and went, oh, I don't know why. I don't know why I love these. It just was like this perfect fit, and just everything feels really good. It's high waist. It's not tight at all, but there isn't a lot of extra room. Everything is just like a perfect level of snugness, and I think part of it is it's got a lot of stretch to it. So let's see if you can see it. So a lot of stretch to it, which, you know, there are some shorts out there that are really stiff and uncomfortable, and it's like, you know, you want to unbutton it and let yourself breathe. But these just have a great amount of stretch. So hopefully they are not ridiculously expensive because I really like them. Here is the 360 of them. Really like them. Now the top. I really liked it out of the box. And then I put it on, and now I just don't know what to feel. I thought these shoulders were like a really cool detail, but then it was just like looking in the mirror, it's like, what's happening here? It just seems kind of weird. I don't know. It makes things look I don't know. I'm just not as excited about it as I was when I pulled it out, but maybe I'm just looking at it weird. I don't know. What do you guys think? I mean, I have a lot of black tops, though, like I said, I've been getting more and more recently, but I'm probably just not excited enough about this one to keep it, but it is nice having some simple dressy type t-shirts. So I'm on the fence with this one. Again, probably price will help me decide that. So that brings me to, let's go over prices. Okay. Here we go, in no particular order. Let's start at the top here. By Z Supply, this is the mini leopard v-neck in pale blush, and it is $44. I like it. Well, like I said, I was not going to pay 50 bucks for it. I think 44 is close enough to 50 bucks that it was cute there. You can see the color pattern a little bit better, but I don't think at $44 like it. So then we have by Z Supply, again, the Marlin Sweater Knit One Shoulder Pullover in Mesa Red, and it is $60. So that's, you know, not too surprising. Again, I don't know that I $60 love it. Typically, if I'm going to spend $60 on something, I am going to love it. This one, I'm still kind of on the fence, but I am leaning towards not keeping it. Then we have the Bagasse Ace High Rise Skinny in dark wash, and it is $74. And I just think the ankle detail is why I requested it, and I just think it was a little bit lost on me as a tiny little person. So, okay, not gonna keep those, that's a for sure. Then we have the Dreamers Waterfall Cardigan in Dust Mint, $48. Okay. That's not terrible. I'm leaning towards it. We'll kind of make a decision here at the end, or I might leave it open-ended so I can get feedback. Then we have the Skies Are Blue Ring Strap V-Neck Cami in black, and it is $42. I like it, but I'm literally wearing a black dressy cami just like this, so this is just, I don't need it. Then we have by Dex, this is a solid short sleeve crew neck top in black, $50. So that makes my decision, because I was just kind of didn't really like it that much, but if it's a $50 tee, so not going to get that. So this one is my definite. This is the Bagasse Ace High Rise Cargo Short in olive, and it is $48. It's $48. I am definitely keeping this. So excited about that. Considering the Dreamers cardigan and the marled one shoulder top, but I'm on the fence. I'm on the fence, guys. So I could use some opinions. I know I ask you guys that every time, but it really does help me. It helped me decide to keep this blazer, you know, before I realized it was going to be very much on sale. So, but it does help me make a decision. So if you guys could provide me with what your thoughts are, that would be great. I will get this video posted before I have to check out. So yay for not being super late on this box. I did forget to give the total for the entire box. So if I kept everything, it would be $366. With Wantable, if you buy 5 or more items, then you do get a 20% off. So that would take off $73.20. And then your styling fee, which is $20, gets credited as well. So if I kept everything, the total for it all would be $272.80. So got through that. Okay, so yes, they are a style service. There is a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. I think they give you 5 days to decide what to keep and send back what you won't. They do have, I mentioned that I requested a few items, and what that means is they have kind of what's called their stream, and it's a lot of clothing that they have in stock, and you can go through and request certain items. So half of this box were pieces I request, so nice job, Jen. I think that's the basics for the service. I do have a referral link below if you want $25 off of your first box. Yay, you and I would both get $25. Thank you to everybody who has used my link thus far. Very, very, very much appreciated, and that helps keep the channel going, that's for sure, because this can get quite expensive. I think that's it, guys. Hopefully you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. All right, bye.